lit. What? What? What's going on, my beautiful YouTube family? Ty Artist back again with another reaction video. And you guys said react to this new Sean Lil Kaycee World of Dance. So without further ado, let's watch the video. Now, alright, I'll talk about it at the end. Oh, yeah, I like that. Dang. Hey, this is lit. What? What? This is actually so good. Hey, I know I sound like I'm surprised, but I just got done watching the live where Sean said, yo, he created this in like 4 days. Oh, what the rain? He created this, he said he created this in like 4 days. I like it.
First of all, you're a savage, okay?
Savage. That was amazing.
Here's the thing. I like that you added the water element. It shows that you're trying to push the envelope.
Hold up. Sorry. He said he said in that live that he created this in about 4 days. Now, I love, like, out of all the dances before watching this one just now, my favorite was the one that was blindfolded, because I feel like I never see anything like that before. Like that was pretty lit. Blindfolded, they was like completely in sync, and now I'm seeing this like this was by far my favorite dance. And he said he created this in 4 days. 4 days.
It was a really strong
4 days.
Yeah, well done. The part that I really liked
is the whole dance.
You threw the lift in there and like
yeah.
Strong.
Hey, I know y'all saw my reaction when he did that. Like,
I wasn't expecting that.
No, that's tough.
I thought this was one of you guys' best performances, and I feel like you should be really, really proud.
That's tough.
Well, I have never seen you guys, and I was blown away.
Thank you so much.
The two of you together, you complement each other so well. In the beginning, you guys, I don't know who's facing who, but you do this little rond de jambe thing, and one of you has her back to the other, and then the footwork going up to the water. I was just like, ah! Like, I thought it was sexy. I thought it was grounded. I thought it was like,
I don't know about the sexy, but it was definitely grounded. What she said? Oh. Like, this dance was lit, and Sean said he created this in 4 days. Now, I did see like the results of it like on Instagram, so I do know that they got eliminated off of this dance. I think it was off of this when they got eliminated. Like, looking at this right now, I can't, how? I don't understand. How you just, somebody gotta let me know how this was an amazing dance. This was by far, I think, their best one. And he said he created it in 4 days, and it came 4 days in his live, I think, because he said he had a week, and he said for the first 3 days he didn't know, they didn't have anything, so he had to create it in about 4 days. And it came together like that, and they got eliminated off of it. Somebody gotta explain this one to me, because this was, in my opinion, this was their most beautiful one. Let me know what you thought of it down below. Let me know how. Let me know what happened. Ty Artist, hey.
I'ma leave they feelings hurting. Hey, windows down on purpose. Hanging out the window swerving. Baby, snap.